if you want to post a listing on Facebook or somewhere like that, go into KVcore, go to Playbooks, open your playbook, scroll down to eXp Realty Metroplex's listings. These are our listings in order of newest. So this is the newest listing. It looks nice. It's a great one to promote. Click Start Promoting. Go down to Leverage Social Media. Digital Promotion. This first one, Squeeze Page, copy it. And you can post this link anywhere. So this link is the lead generation link of this property for sale. It has your name, information right here. They can look at this property, but as soon as they start browsing your website, it's going to ask for more information from them. This is a pretty nice home. You can post it on Facebook, and it'll pull this main picture. It's probably best for Facebook. It's not that great for Instagram, but you definitely want to include the link on Instagram too, but it won't like auto create a picture for you.